I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now search and select action OneHash CRM. Give here the API URL. And give here the API key and API secret key. So go to your OneHash CRM dashboard. Go to Setting. Scroll down and click on API Access. Generate keys. Copy the secret API keys and API key and paste it on integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in Actions. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can use conditional logic for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Go to the OneHash CRM contact list. And you can see that the data came successfully in OneHash CRM. Thanks for watching.